The first extension I want to introduce is called the Anywhere Stickers. As its name suggests, if you want to have a room for note-taking while searching on the internet, this extension is made for you. It will provide piece of stickers in many different forms and colors. You can see that on the screen. We have a square note on the footer of the note. We have an array of colors that you can choose which you like, so it is easy to find one that suits your taste.
So next I will introduce about another app in Trọng web store which is called Instapaper. Instapaper browser extension to save link for offline reading. Here is the interface of Instapaper. Instapaper allows you to save anything and read anywhere. You can save whatever you want, like interesting articles, videos, cooking recipes, song lyrics, or whatever else you come across while browsing. And of course, you can read anywhere. You can read online or even offline. So now I will show you the way how to use Instapaper on the website, as you can see on the screen. So welcome to Instapaper. Let's go looking for an article. I found one here that I would like to read at this time, but I just don't have time to do so. So please copy this link. Then come back to the Instapaper and you add the link here. So now you can click on the text to read just the text, or click on the link to actually go to the page you was there.
eJoy Extensions is a must-have translator and multiple platform learning tool for English learners. First, I will take an article about COVID-19 on CNN as an example. When you scroll down, you will come across some words that you are not familiar with. All you have to do is select the word, and the translator tool will pop up in this box. This box includes translation, definition, slang words, some examples with voice text for you.
She's always imposing on people for favors.
Collocation, synonyms, and the words family. Besides, you click this icon to listen to its pronunciation.
Impose.
Impose.
One more interesting about eJoy. It shows the others videos on this website which contain the word.
Lukashenko refused to impose lockdowns and even said the virus did not exist.
Another example. I got a talk show from TEDx here. These little icons represent eJoy with its settings. Whenever you move your mouse towards the word, its translation will appear. You can even save your favorite sentence or movie scenes as a bookmark for later reviewing. It also has a full transcription of the speech, so you can catch up with the content easily. It has Vietnamese subtitles above the sentence you select. Click on the sentence you want to listen again.
If you are trying to improve your English vocabulary, there is an extension that you must have. It is Idioms and Phrase. The main function of this extension is to help you study more common idioms as well as phrase without effort. Whenever you open a tab on your computer web, this extension will recommend an idiom or phrase on the screen, and your task is only to study them. It's so easy. Learning by this way makes your brain approach the information more actively, and as a result, you also memorize new words easier.